Hello, in this video we shall be taking federal system of government, also known as federalism. Now, federalism is defined as where governmental powers that exist are shared between the central government and the complement or state regions of a particular country. Now, these powers are shared in order to make each region or component and the central government both constitutionally and legally autonomous and independent. Here are some features of federalism or federal system of government. 1. Powers are shared between the central government and other component regions. 2. Power is gotten from the constitution. 3. Federal system adopts a written constitution. 4. The constitution is usually rigid. And 5. The central government is the most supreme has the supreme authority. Now let's move on to advantages and disadvantages of the federal system of government. Let's begin with the advantages. Number 1, it encourages or it guarantees the rights of citizens. Number 2, it aids fast development of the country. Number 3, it caters for the minorities. Number 4, there is no fear of domination. And number 5, there is political stability, or there is a strong government. Moving on to disadvantages. Now, federal system of government has its problems, like 1, there's uneven sharing of wealth in a country that practices federal system of government. 2, federal system of government causes dual loyalty. 3, there are interstate clashes from time to time, like one state is clashing with other state for the struggle of power and supremacy. 4, it is expensive to operate. And 5, it causes a weak center. In our next video, we shall be talking about confederation.